Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to become a freelancer in 2023. Freelancing is becoming a popular career choice for many people around the world, offering flexibility, independency and the ability to work on projects you are passionate about. So if you are interested in becoming a freelancer, then this video is for you. Usually I make a video on different steps. So in order to become a successful freelancer, you have to follow these steps and practically implement all these steps. Then you will become a successful freelancer in 2023. Step 1. Define your skills and niche. Before you start freelancing, you need to define your skills and niche. Think about what services you can offer and what kinds of client you want to work with. Focus on your strength and skills and identify the areas where you can add values. The number 2 step is build your portfolio. Building a strong portfolio is essential in showcasing your skills and experience to potential clients. Start by working on a small project and gradually build your portfolio with bigger and more complex projects. Make sure to include samples of your work, client testimonials, and case studies. Steps number 3. Establish your online presence. Establishing your online presence is a crucial in attracting clients and building your brand as a freelancer. Creating a potential and professional website and social media profiles, and make sure to showcase your portfolio and services. Use platforms like LinkedIn, Upwork, and Fiverr to find client and project. Steps number 4. Build relationship with client. Building relationships with client is essential in establishing a successful freelance career. Communicate with your client regularly. Be transparent about your work and always meet their expectation. Develop long-term relationship with client and ask for referral and testimonials. Step number 5. Manage your finance. Managing your finance is essential in running a successful freelance business. Create a budget, set your rates, and track your expenses and income. Use tools like QuickBooks, FreshBooks, or Zero to manage your finance efficiently. Step number 6. Continuously learn and improve. As a freelancer, it is essential to continuously learn and improve your skills. Keep up with industry trends, attend workshops and conferences, and invest in your professional development. This will help you to stay relevant and competitive in the freelancer market. If you follow all these steps and continue to implement it with a potential manner, then you will become a freelancer in 2023 and you will become a successful freelancer in this era. So becoming a successful freelancer requires a combination of skills, hard work and dedication. By defining your skills and niche, building your portfolio, establish your online presence, building relationship with clients, managing your finances, and continuously learning and improving, you can build successful freelancer career in 2023. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful in your journey to become a freelancer.